viewers and my subscribers. Good morning, whatever time of the day it is. Good afternoon, good night while you're watching my videos. Today, I'm going to boil some porridge. Okay, guys, and my porridge is oats. This is it, guys. You can see that's my oats. Okay, guys, and this is it. Over here, I have my milk and my oats. Also, my sugar. And for my spices, I have cinnamon stick and cinnamon leaves and nutmeg. Also, I have my vanilla. Okay, guys, you can see? And you can use any other spice that you want. And I have my pot over there boiling, so I'm going to show you my pot. So, guys, this is my pot over here. So I'm going to put in my, it's boiling, so I'm going to put in my cinnamon stick and my nutmeg. Okay, guys? To all of my subscribers and viewers, bless up yourself. Vanilla. Just a little. I'm going to let it stay there, boil until I am ready for it. Okay, guys. Also, I have the cinnamon powder. You can use it in it too. So you can either use the powder, the stick, or the leaves. You choose whatever you want. But I'm not going to use any powder today. Okay. So you can boil your oats porridge just as it is. You don't have to blend it. But I like when it's blend. All right, so I'm going to blend it, let you see. Okay. And this oats, it's as in cinnamon, and it having pear, peach, apples. They cut it very fine and dry it and put in it. Okay. So I'm going to blend it. Okay. I'm going to blend. I'm just going to put the milk in it. If you don't want to, you can put it while you're mixing, but I'm going to put it. And you add whatever you want to add to it, guys. Tip a little bit more water in it. And it takes like 5 minutes to cook. No long cooking. So my water is boiling. You can see it's boiling, guys. I'm going to pour it. And you can put anything at all. You can blend carrot, as I made carrot porridge before. You can put beetroot, any other fruit, any fruit you can put in your porridge, okay? It's too much, it's just two of us, guys. You stir until it's thick. If you don't stir it, it'll get lumpy. A lot of lumps. You still stir until it's thick, guys. And you put whatever spice you want in it. Any kind of spice you put in it. And see, getting thicker. And when it started to boil, you turn down the fire, and I say it takes like 5 minutes or 6 minutes to cook. No long cooking, guys. You can see. You can see, guys. Thick. So like in the next 2 minutes, you can turn off the fire. So this takes about 6 minutes to cook. All right. If you want it to cook a bit longer, that's okay. But normally they say on the bag, when you check on the bag, it says like 3 minutes to cook. But I cook mine a little bit longer. You can see the texture. It's boiling, guys. And I took out the stick already. And I took out the leaves also. So these little things are nutmeg and everything there. You can see the nutmeg. All right. So I'm going to mix it now. So this is my sugar. Not a lot. And you want to use condensed milk, that's okay. And mix it, stir it like this. Guys, it smells so good. Smells so good. And it tastes so good, guys. Some people you can tip a little salt in it. Cinnamon stick, cinnamon leaves, any other spices that you have. You can put nutmeg, anything, vanilla, you can put in it. Okay, guys, this is my finished porridge. All right. And what country are you watching my porridge from? Where in the world are you today? Just make a comment. Tell me where in the world are you watching my porridge from? Okay, guys? And what are you doing for the day? And what do you have for your breakfast or your lunch or your dinner? Okay, guys? So this is it now. I'm going to share it out. It's my viewers and my subscribers. This is my finished oats porridge. All right. And over here, I have a slice of bread with my porridge. All right. And you put it with crackers, anything you want to eat your drink your porridge with. That's okay. That's fine. So I'm just showing you how I made my oats porridge. And you don't have to blend it. You don't have to blend your oats. You can just cook it just as it is. But I like when mine is blend. All right. Just make a comment on my porridge. Where in the world are you? Pick up yourself anywhere you are watching my oats porridge or any porridge at all. Just big up yourself. And thanks again to my new subscribers, my older subscribers, all my friends and my families. And remember, guys, to subscribe, share, make a comment, tell a friend about my videos. See you in another video. Pick up yourself. Blessing. And remember to put God first in everything. All right. Just come over for some of my porridge. Okay, guys. Bye bye. You take care.